Functional medicine is trying to get to the root cause of what's going on with your health. So our body will present to us symptoms. And from those symptoms, that's what normally would bring us to, say, a conventional medical doctor or even to the drugstore to self-treat. So a really common symptom and an example is heartburn. Heartburn is when you're burping up acid that almost feels like it's burning your throat. Normally, you would be cued to go and take something that lowers your stomach acid, to take some Pepto-Bismol or some Tums or something along those lines. In functional medicine, we want to know why you're getting that acid reflux. We know one thing that causes it is H. pylori, an infection in the stomach that lowers your stomach acid and makes your body overproduce less strong stomach acid that then comes up the sphincter into your esophagus, which is when you feel the burning. For functional medicine, we would be treating your H. pylori. We would be replenishing that hydrochloric acid or that stomach acid in order for you to have proper digestion. So that's one example that comes to mind where functional medicine is a bit different. Another one is a skin rash. When you have a skin rash, you might go to the doctor and get a specific cream for it. Or you may go to the store and get some cortisone cream yourself to place it on it to lower inflammation. We ask the question as to why you're getting these skin eruptions in the first place. A big one that comes to mind for skin is always your liver. Looking at your liver health is something that we would do in functional medicine. Other things that we look into for functional medicine, and one of the biggest ones for Vegas Clinic, is your gut health. Your gut health houses trillions of bacteria. You have more bacterial DNA than you have human DNA. And so we really need to optimize your gut because we now know that that influences every single disease that are causing chronic diseases for people, like heart disease, like different cancers, and the list goes on and on. So we really address your gut health. The next thing that we really address is your toxin load. Those can be environmental toxins, toxins that are in your home from off-gassing of new furniture, mold that's in your house giving toxins off, or internal toxins like I just talked about with those overgrowths. Those are all addressed in functional medicine. Structural integrity. How well is your spine moving, or small subluxations that can cause huge perturbations in your health. Different scars, tight fascia, tight muscle imbalances. Those are huge things that add to how much your body can handle. So addressing those are huge. And that's near and dear to me as a chiropractor. Another thing that's highly important for functional medicine are the different energetic perturbations, different fillings that you can have that are metals that can be interacting, scars on your skin that you can work on, tattoos, body piercing, all of these interrupt the way that energy flows through your body. Trauma, addressing emotional stresses or trauma or unresolved childhood trauma are huge to heal the human from the inside out. Another huge one are nutrient deficiencies, be that deficiencies in amino acids, deficiencies in different B vitamins, deficiencies of different compounds that your liver needs to function. These are all essential nutrients. We have to make sure we're getting them. Now, in this day and age, the way our food is grown, the way our food is processed, we're eating foods devoid of nutrients, and our bodies are paying the price for it. And they're trying to give us cues all the time. So filling those gaps is something you do in functional medicine, and it has a huge impact on your overall health. EMFs. EMFs are electromagnetic frequencies. The earth gives off frequencies, our microwaves, our computers, our cell phones. We're inundated with all this different electricity that our body hasn't been accustomed to dealing with. And it's now part of the reason that we're tipping us over to the point of feeling unwell or not feeling our best. So just remember that your body is powerful. It wants to take care of you. It wants to heal. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of help. And that's what functional medicine is. It's intuitively and with common sense, filling in the gaps that are causing you to feel unwell. So it's time to be empowered, and it's time to take your health back, or just take back the chance that you have to feel your absolute best.